Hey guys, Aaron here from Aaron Wolf Paws. This is take two of the part one of the vlog, but yeah. Yeah, I can't wait to get on the computer here in a little bit, so yeah. That is after the second part of the vlog, so yeah. 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 Yeah, sometimes, for the vlogs, it may take me like a couple of tries to get a successful video, so yeah. So yeah. Yeah, I am, today's the final day of my 2 weeks of vlogging, so yeah. So yeah. Yes, year 2 is about to start in February 17th, so yeah. Yeah. That's it, I'll see you guys later. Bye.